This tutorial is one of many instructional videos presented by the Olympus America Scientific Equipment Group Industrial Microscopes. This tutorial will provide you with detailed instructions on getting started with panoramic image acquisition with the Olympus LEXT OLS4000 3D measuring laser microscope. In this example, we want to acquire a 3D confocal image of Abraham Lincoln on the back of a US penny. The entire body fits within the field of view at the lowest magnification. However, the 5x objective lens does not provide the required resolution to acquire a 3D high-quality confocal image. Specifically designed for the 405 nanometer wavelength of the LEXT, the 20x objective lens provides the resolution required to acquire a high-quality 3D confocal image. However, the entire body does not fit within the field of view. The solution to this application is to acquire a series of adjacent confocal images to be stitched together, creating a single panoramic or mosaic image. This solution provides both the high level of optical resolution required as well as extending the field of view. First, we must define the area where the images are to be acquired. We can achieve this by pressing the Stitching button in the Map Screen window. In the Map Screen, the green square denotes our current stage position, as does the blue circle in the Stitching window. There are a few ways in which the panoramic area can be defined. One way is to define the number of images to be acquired in both X and Y. You will notice the map area is dynamically updated as you define the panoramic area. This provides a very intuitive preview of the area that will be acquired. The blue circle in the Stitching window represents your current position as it relates to the acquisition path. Notice how the acquisition path changes in the map screen as you redefine this reference position. Pressing the middle button allows you to define the acquisition area by length as opposed to image sections. The button on the right allows you to interactively define the top left and bottom right corners of the acquisition area simply by moving the joystick. If at any time you have moved the joystick, press the Update Reference Position button to realign the reference position to the acquisition area. Once the acquisition area has been defined, press the Register button. Should you wish to modify or redefine the acquisition area, press the Release button. Once the acquisition area has been registered, you will notice that the stitching option is now available in the Acquisition Settings window and is checked. This indicates that a panoramic image will be acquired when the Acquisition button is pressed. Prior to acquiring a panoramic image, ensure that the brightness has been optimized for both laser confocal and color modes and that the top and bottom limits have been set. Once all the acquisition parameters have been optimized, simply press the Acquisition button to begin the panoramic acquisition. After the panoramic image has been acquired, it can then be visualized in both 2D as well as 3D. Currently, the image is being displayed in laser intensity mode. By clicking on the Color button, the image can also be displayed in color mode. By clicking on the Height button, the image can also be viewed in a height encoded mode. And by clicking on the bottom button, the image can be displayed in wireframe mode. Accurate 3D measurements can also be attained on the panoramic image, just as with any single frame image. In this instructional video, we have covered panoramic image acquisition with the Olympus LEXT OLS4000 3D measuring laser microscope. We hope this video has been beneficial, and we invite you to contact us directly with any questions whatsoever.